Discussing Japan's interest in investing in China's One Belt, One Road initiative and the possible outcome of their cooperation. This special report is presented by the Public Relations Department.
As the successful of China for the last 5 years by the leadership of President Xi on the project of One Belt, One Road, so make President Abe of Japan interest to cooperate with the One Belt, One Road project. So that thing already starts by the foreign minister of Japan went to talking with the foreign minister of China to see how both countries can be cooperate to create that kind of the infrastructure from Asia through the world. So that is a cooperation will making this region growing much more faster than in the past. Or even if they really can do it, I would say that the two big giants, as China is the second large of the economic and Japan as the third large of the economic, can be really move Asia more easy and faster. And that really can move like what we just talking about. By the last year, the policy of the President Trump would like to pull off the business from Asia because of the American feel that they are support too much. What makes Trump have to be rethinking, to be see how American should looking future change by China. So that's why the situation in Asia will be changed because the policy of the
And I am Wanachai Jitchiwong. Today we will be focusing on the seminar Thailand taking off to the new heights, as well as the road safety measure during Songkran holidays.
The Thailand Board of Investment, or BOI, recently held a seminar called Thailand Taking Off to New Heights.